Hello and welcome back to my channel, Dani Grace Daily. If you're new here, hi, I'm Dani. Today I am sharing my second vlog ever of our camping trip last month to Watkins, Glen in upstate New York. It's just south of Seneca Lake, which is part of the Finger Lakes up here. We went camping with our best friends. I met Felice when I was 10 years old and we were both in 5th grade together, and Joshua met Christian in his early 20s when they both joined the Marine Corps. And we introduced Felice and Christian. They ended up getting married and they had their first son just 2 weeks after we had our son Preston, who, that was a picture of him. He's 5 years old now. Our son Troy is 3 years old. He's about to be 4. And our daughter Everly is 1 year old. And then Felice and Christian have 2 children as well, Max and Evelyn. So the kids are really close in age. They've known each other their whole life, and we had a wonderful time camping and hiking and just being with them. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Really quick update, my husband just stopped home from work to bring me my favorite coffee from Stewart's. It's this island coconut flavor. It is so good, and he just thought of me, and I'm just the happiest wifey ever right now. So thank you, Josh. The boys' clothes are all ready to be put in a suitcase. So this side is Troy's, this side is Preston's. I have 2 pairs of shorts for them, 2 pairs of pants. We're going to be hiking, 2 sweatshirts, 1 zip up and 1 knot, a hat, a swimsuit, 2 pairs of jammies, 1 shorts, 1 warm. I have 3 long sleeve shirts because we are going to be hiking again, a short sleeve shirt, a tank top, underwear, socks, and then their outfit for tomorrow. And same for Troy. I've got short pajamas, warm pajamas, a hat, his swimsuit, a zip-up and a not zip-up hoodie, 2 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of pants, 2 long-sleeve shirts. I have to add his Columbia lightweight one that he loves. Then I have his tank top, a t-shirt, underwear, socks, his outfit for tomorrow, and I think we're really set for them clothing-wise. We're going for 2 nights and 3 days, but when we go camping, the boys get super dirty. They love to play in the mud, and so I'm sure we will find some mud or water. There's actually a hiking trail with waterfalls this time, so this is going to be really fun. Can't wait. Now on to Everly. Okay, Evie's all done now too, so I've got blankets and sheets for her pack and play. I have some shoes, but I don't know what fits her because she never wears shoes, so we're going to try them on before we leave. Socks, her outfit for tomorrow, 2 pairs of jammies, a hat, a bathing suit, and then 1, 2, 3 outfits, and then some extra clothes just in case of accidents, 2 sweatshirts, diapers, wipes, and she's good to go. About to make my kiddos' favorite camping trail mix. It's not the healthiest, but it is their favorite special treat whenever we go camping, so I'm making a big bowl of it. I'm going to share it with our friends. Most people are usually surprised to hear that I like camping, which I think is really funny, but I think it's because I'm such a girly girl. Maybe that's why people are always so surprised, but I love it. Of course. Yeah! We're all ready to go on our camping trip! Hi, Press!
Hi.
I can barely see you in there! Troy boy? Hi, Troy!
Hi.
Hi, Evie! How's Mommy's babies?
Good.
You all ready to go camping?
Yeah.
Hey, Press, you excited to go see Max and Evelyn? Hey, Daddy!
Hey, Jay! Hi! Beautiful, hi!
I think we're ready.
Don't drop it.
Do you think we packed enough? I don't even know if there's room for me to fit in there, but we're gonna try. Oh my goodness. Dude, it's packed to the max.
It is, baby.
Can I get a picture of this? Let's see. Whoa! I guess we're ready.
So
Onward. Sissy girl, you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you excited for our trip? All right. We just got in the car to leave and we stopped for gas. Somebody's tired. We stopped for gas and literally as soon as we got to the gas station, both boys had to pee. And it's Evie's nap time, so she'll fall asleep as soon as we start. So, homegirl finally fell asleep. Right, Dani? Finally. And then we broke out the iPads for the last hour of the drive. Hi. We made it. Yeah, we made it to the campsite. We're gonna help Daddy set up.
Stop it.
I can make you guys to stop.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me, that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me, that's alright. To me, that's
Hey, what's going on over here? What's going on over here?
Just happiness, Mom. Just happiness.
Sissy,
She loves being upset.
what are you
My little
doing?
monkey.
You are.
Little monkey baby.
Daniel will probably have one.
I have one right now. I'm gonna have a bunch.
They're over here. I just need graham crackers.
Preston's so sweet sharing his graham cracker with his sister.
He did? She loves graham crackers.
That helps so much. Thank you, Preston.
Yummy. Oh, I have it right now. I'll give it right back.
Wait, I made two.
Oh, you made 2 sticks?
That's okay. That's okay.
No,
That's
Preston, I
okay.
made. No, here, Preston, here.
Preston.
Look, baby.
Sweetheart.
There's one right there, sweetheart.
There's one right here.
Show me on the
Nice
camera.
of you to try to share with
Let me see.
Emily.
Wow.
Hey, man.
Everly.
Hey, man.
Camping. You're so cute. Did you see that? Look at this awesome tent setup. So this is the main tent. And we fit a queen air bed in here. And a pack and play. So crazy. And then over here is the second tent. And we put both the boys in there. How crazy is this tent? Got a fire going and our friends are in the campsite over there. Why is it so creepy walking alone at night in the woods? Evie! Hi! Hi, honey. Hi. You having trouble with those shoes? Look at all that yummy food. You guys are so darn cute. Okay. Ooh, what is that?
Best camping breakfast ever.
Let's see.
Smoked bacon, avocado, homemade sourdough bread, and eggs. Yummy.
Yummy.
Felice made the sourdough bread.
Felice, your bread is delicious. We are all loving it. Boys, how's your breakfast? Good? Too salty?
Yeah.
Hi, little one. Yeah, I know. And thank you to the chef, Christian.
Yes, thank you, Mom.
Delicious. Let me see yours. Boys, those are some fancy boots. I love them. Can you guys find our campsite? I think it's that way.
Yeah.
Let's go, Press. Let's find it. Troy boy, do you love your daddy so much?
Yeah. Just need to kill that spider.
A spider? It's
Yeah,
okay.
because it was over to you.
Spider was? It's okay.
Let him go.
I guess I should do a vlog though. Hello! So we are off to go on a hike today. We had a good night last night, but Evie was awake all night. Wasn't she, love?
Yes, she was.
She wouldn't sleep at all. I think she's teething. Anyway, we're gonna go on a hike with our best friends and we're getting all packed up. So we'll see you later. Bye. Hey, are we gonna go for a hike? Do you wanna go for a hike, honey? Should we go? Let's go. Let's go find everybody. You taking a break?
Getting some shaking. It's a nice bench, right?
I only had the bike here, Mom.
Nice. Did you get a nice clean
Yeah,
shot of
panoramic.
the scene up there? Good. Very cool. Very cool.
We can't, baby, because we have to sanitize our hands first.
How pretty is this?
Civil War hero and landscape artist James Hope first visited Watkins, Glen in 1871. Commissioned to paint Rainbow Falls, he was captivated by a landscape similar to his native Scotland. A few years later, he and his family set up a permanent residence and studio in the Glen. Hope's many exquisite paintings of the gorge still resonate with visitors today. Beautiful.
Hey, I can do this.
Oh yeah, you
Hey,
can touch
turn
that.
the panel to see Rainbow Falls as James Hope saw it. You ready? Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, we might need to get a print of that for our house. That is gorgeous.
That is absolutely.
And what's that one say? Turn the panel to see Frowning Cliff as
Frowning
James Hope
Cliff, yeah.
saw it. Okay, ready? Go ahead, press. Oh, that's beautiful too.
Oh my god. I love that.
Beautiful.
Nice.
All right,
They
boys.
learned about some art.
I know.
Atlantic Resort.
Oh, let's see what that is. Oh, because there was a lover's lane on the trail. Romantic resort Watkins Glen opened up as a scenic tourist attraction during a time when many Victorians were fascinated by nature. Often described with words like grandeur and sublime, the Glen became an international destination. By 1866, resort attendance soared to about 23,000 annual visitors. Proprietors added various lodging and dining amenities. Expansions opened in new areas of the gorge, allowing the public to enjoy more beautiful views, complemented with picturesque bridges, stairs, and pathways. Isn't that interesting, darling?
Indeed.
We learn something new every day, don't we?
Yes.
Onward!
There's no garbage inside of tents.
That's right, no garbage. And no food.
But there's, yes they are.
No food inside of tents. We don't eat food inside of tents.
So we have food outside. I messed up the tent.
Yeah. Or critters might try to get in and get the food. All right.
Wow, those are some cool sticks, boys. Evelyn, you have one too? You guys, those are the coolest sticks. Look at Pops.
Hey guys, say trees. Can you guys all make a funny face?
Let's do funny faces.
Okay, thanks guys.
Okay, now go on a hike.
Weeder. Oh, following the leader. Oh, here we go. Following the leader.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me here and watching. I love making these memories for my children to have in the future, and this is just a fun little way to share our life with you. So please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit the thumbs up if you liked this video. I appreciate you being here, and I hope everyone has a great week. Bye!